I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks, and I was recently asked, can you use a Pulsar thermal like the Oryx, the Telos or Mergers with your glasses on? Well, at Thomas Jacks, we like to help anyone who is looking to invest in thermal or just find a definitive answer from an expert without the waffle or distractions. Now, if that does sound like you, then subscribe. There'll be a link down here somewhere below, because we're always doing more videos just like this. But let's quickly answer this one. Yes, of course, you can use any Pulsar thermal with your glasses on, and it's thanks to this eyecup, which is a little bit smarter than it initially looks. Let me explain. This bit here, that is an eye shield, and for anyone who doesn't wear glasses, that will cut out peripheral light, which is especially useful in the daylight. But if you do wear glasses, you can fold it and it will stay out of the way, as easy as that. On the Oryx and on the Telos or Mergers, it's that simple. But what else is clever about it? Well, if you're not a glasses wearer, you can shift the orientation of that eye cup depending on which eye you want to use. So if you're left eye dominant or right eye dominant, that's not a problem. You can even adjust it a little bit because there's 360 degrees of rotation in that, just for comfort. What is really good about this though is that, say it were to get damaged after 5 or 10 years of really hard use, well, don't worry, because it's easy and cheap to replace that eye cup with a genuine Pulsar spare part from pulsar-vision.co.uk. I will put a link in the description below that will take you straight there. I think for a lot of people, the initial outlay for a thermal is quite an expense. So for a thermal that will work hard and keep going well after it owes you nothing, Pulsar, well, it's got quality and longevity designed in, whether you're a glasses wearer or not. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.